This is the third product in the collection from Gobi, USA. Sandra sent me. It's a little travel bag. We're going to zoom in so everyone can see the details and see what all you can use it for. This little travel kit has all the features of the other two bags I reviewed. It has the ballistic nylon on it. It's got leather accents on it, and it is quality made. It's got a hanging strap on it or a carry strap. Depends what you want to do with it. Couple of things you can use this for. You could use it for, if you wanted to use it for a little travel kit to put your shaving supplies, such as your straight razors. Got a couple of Dovos here. And my newest Dovo, and I don't have a leather sheath for it yet, but it's just in a bag. But you can put all your razors down in here. And they all have heavy duty zippers on them as well. And I'm going to show everyone inside. As you can see, it's all well made, hand stitched, water repellent, just like the other bags. So you could also use it just for like a little everyday carry bag if you wanted to put, like say, a knife in it, or put your couple wallets in it. Put your monkey fist, you'd be surprised where it comes in handy. You can put it in this little front pocket, and you can put your little light in here too. But these are great little bags. I'm super impressed with them. As I said, they're made in Denver, Colorado. Go to the Gobi USA website, pick out the items you want. I suggest getting the whole collection. You can order it any combination that you like. They have quite a few that they do, and they only make them when you order them, so that way you get exactly what you want. You can't go wrong with them. The quality is great. Don't forget there's a Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share with all your friends. We'll see you next time.